Choosing the best combat pistol is a task fraught with challenges. In addition to the traditional questions of reliability, accuracy, and durability, you also need to determine what features are required for your needs. In this video, I will attempt to provide you with an informed overview of each type of pistol available on the market today, as well as their potential benefits for different applications. The most common types of pistols are semi-automatic and revolver. Semi-automatic pistols have magazines that hold ammunition, which is fired through a barrel by pulling a trigger. Revolvers have rotating cylinders, and they fire their rounds when the trigger is pulled. Revolvers are generally more accurate, but they tend to be slower than semi-automatic weapons due to their larger size and weight. I am the proud owner of a 1911 Classic, and I can safely say it is one of the best combat pistols available. If you're looking to learn more about this pistol and other top models, please watch on. If you're a serious gun enthusiast, you've probably been keeping up with new developments in the world of firearms. It's been a big year for combat pistols, and 2022 promises to be even bigger. I've compiled a list of some of the best combat pistols that I think you'll love. Rock Island M 1911 Classic, 4.5 CP. The 1911 Classic pistol is perfect for those who want to add some flair to their shooting. The 5-barrel and front strap checkering ensure that you have a balanced, stable shot. This is a semi-automatic pistol that features a high-quality carbon steel frame and slide, which has been given an ultra-durable matte black finish. Its high-performance, single-action trigger delivers a crisp 4 to 5-pound pull. Other features include a beaver tail grip safety for added shooting comfort, a 7+1 capacity, 3 white dovetail sights, as well as 2 8-round magazines. This gun is ideal for concealed carry and self-defense. The 1911 Classic is designed to shoot one bullet at a time. This model is the preferred firearm of experts. This pistol uses both single and double action for firing. The barrel length is 5, and it has an overall length of 8.5. The 1911 Classic comes with 2 7-round magazines, but you can also order 8-round magazines from the company's website if you are looking for extra capacity. The pistol weighs 2.4 pounds, making it heavy enough to absorb recoil while still being light enough to carry easily on your person or in a holster while you're out and about. Beretta M9. Featuring a removable front sight, the Beretta M9 pistol is constructed with a locking block system, a fully adjustable rear sight, a chrome-lined barrel, and reinforced barrel threads. The pistol is coated with a black polyurethane finish that provides additional protection from wear and weather elements. Its polymer frame houses a 10-round magazine and offers an ambidextrous safety lever. The pistol's slide and barrel are steel, and its frame is a compacted polymer. The trigger guard is enlarged to allow for easier use on gloved hands, while the magazine release button is reversible for left or right-handed use. The design of the Beretta M9 is a radical departure from previous Beretta firearm designs. Although there are several cosmetic similarities to older Berettas, the controls and layout have been totally revised. Additionally, to prevent accidental discharge during handling, a safety lock has been added to the M9 that requires the user to depress the trigger to deactivate the safety. Whether you're serving or protecting your country, or simply looking for an update to your old-fashioned firearm, the M9 is a quality sidearm that's easy to use and comes with all the latest Beretta technology. FNX9. The FNX9 pistol is a masterpiece of performance and precision. FNX pistols are renowned for their accuracy and reliability. These pistols have passed the most rigorous testing regimes in the industry, so you know that when you pick one up and aim it at your target, it will fire every time you pull the trigger. Whether you're getting ready to go hunting, looking to protect your family, or just want to spend a weekend practicing at the range, the FNX9 pistol is the right choice for you. When you handle one of these firearms, you can feel the quality of the craftsmanship that went into creating it. You'll be able to tell right away that we put our heart and soul into making these pistols as good as they can possibly be. FNX9 pistol is an ergonomic pistol equally suited to duty, competition, and personal protection. Features include a trigger that breaks crisp and clean, ambidextrous operating controls, interchangeable backstrap inserts, enhanced grip texturing, and consistent accuracy. The FNX9 offers the perfect combination of safety and in-hand feel. With the addition of an external hammer, this polymer-framed semi-auto is easily cocked for single and double action use. Its ergonomic and ambidextrous design makes it ideal for all. The FNX9 is a double-action, single-action, hammer-driven pistol that offers the simple and easy operation you expect from a classic firearm with the modern convenience of a stainless steel barrel and slide and 3 interchangeable backstraps for maximum comfort. The ambidextrous magazine release makes it easy to change magazines in seconds. The FNX9 also features a safety that allows you to carry in all conditions without fear of accidental discharge. The hammer is blocked from moving forward unless the trigger is pulled fully to the rear. So even if dropped or impacted against a hard surface, it's nearly impossible for any sort of discharge to occur while carrying. Glock G20. The Glock G20 is a 10mm with a barrel length of 4.6 inches and a polymer frame. The sights are fixed, the magazine capacity is 15 rounds, and it has 2 safeties, one on the trigger and one on the slide. The pistol comes with 2 magazines and 3 interchangeable backstraps, so you can best fit the pistol to your hand. The Glock G20 is the first pistol with all the proven advantages of the Glock Safe Action System, combined with the most powerful cartridge that Glock makes. The result is unquestionably the finest big-bore semi-automatic pistol ever. This pistol is perfect for personal protection, recreation, and competitive shooting. The dehorned slide is easy to grasp, making it ideal for concealed carry. The single-action trigger gives you a short, crisp pull with every shot. Smith & Wesson Semi-Automatic. Semi-automatic pistols are an improvement to the original automatic pistol. The semi-automatics are less prone to jamming and require less frequent cleaning. These pistols do not use a rotating barrel when firing them, making them easier to manufacture and thus cheaper than an automatic pistol. Semi-automatic pistols are high-performance firearms using a brief recoil to eject the spent cartridge and load the next round. These guns come in various sizes, calibers, and finishes, making them excellent for target shooting or home protection. Semi-automatic pistols are the most popular handgun in America due to their versatility, design, and power. Ideal for protection, competition, or target practice, a semi-automatic pistol is a must-have for any enthusiast. Sig Sauer P229. The Sig Sauer P229 pistol combines a compact size with a lightweight, durable frame that ensures easy concealment and quick handling. Its simple design makes it easy to use, and its self-lubricating finish makes it easy to clean and maintain. The P229 has been a standard sidearm for the United States military since its introduction in 1983, and it's carried by federal agents and law enforcement officers across the country. The P229 is built to last with Sig Sauer's tough manufacturing process. Its stainless steel slide is nitron, coated for added durability, while its polymer frame resists wear even under heavy use or in harsh environments like deserts or extremely cold temperatures. This pistol also has an internal safety feature that prevents accidental discharges if dropped or struck. The P229 pistol is compact and lightweight and features the ergonomic grip design that Sig Sauer is known for. This particular model has a nitron finish, interchangeable grips, and a rail. The Sig Sauer P229 pistol is extremely popular with law enforcement agencies, most notably the Secret Service, Homeland Security, and the United States Navy SEALs. The Sig Sauer P229 is a semi-automatic pistol with a double-action, single-action trigger system. The pistol features an all-metal frame, stainless steel slide, hard anodized alloy beavertail style frame, and railed polymer grips. The P229's ergonomic design makes it very user-friendly and easy to carry concealed. The pistol has a reversible magazine release button, as well as a safety lock that allows the weapon to be carried cocked and locked. This feature gives the user the ability to chamber a round, engage the thumb safety, and carry the weapon loaded but unsafe until it is needed. The safety lock can also be engaged when the weapon is not in use to prevent accidental firing if dropped or mishandled. Thanks for watching the video this far. With that, we have to the end of today's video. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, and also share this video with your friends. Bye.